Hello everyone, we wanted to give you a tutorial on how to sign up for the sudden cardiac certification. So the first thing you're going to do is go to nfhslearn.com. You can see the URL up on top. And if you have not done so already, you're going to register. Now, if you've already registered, I'm going to go through how to find the course for you. So on the email, you're going to put in your student email. It's the easiest way for you to remember which email you used. I'm going to put in a personal email for now. Username, you can choose any username that you want. This is not what's going on the certificate. It's just going to be for access. And then I'm going to choose a password. And then I'm going to be asked to confirm it. Once I verify, I should be good. I hit next. I'm going to go ahead and put my first name on here. You want to make sure that you're going to put your actual name. So it'll ask you later what you want to go on to the certificate, but you want to put your full name in here. And you're going to put your address. I'm going to use the school's address. Just because I don't want to put in my personal information. And the zip code. It's already defaulted to the United States. I'm going to choose California. And it'll ask you about what state when you take the certification. So I think this saves you a step. School or organization name. Make sure that you click on the one that's on here. And the phone number. Again, I just use the schools. This doesn't really matter. They're not going to send you anything. Down here it says sport. You can choose a sport if you want. You don't have to. You can have anything on here. I think it lets you bypass it anyway. I'm just going to choose one. It doesn't really matter. And I think you can do more than one. Now, when I get to this position here, it's going to ask what name I want printed on the certificate. So please write in your first and last name, your full first and last name. That way, when the certificate comes out, it'll be a little more official and a little more professional. What's your primary position? Student. And will you be taking this course in California? It defaults to yes. You're going to hit finish. And you're going to hit continue. Now, once I get to here, if you've already made an account, then you are going to go to this step. You're going to log in. It's going to take you here. And under the courses, I'll go up on top here and I'll hit courses. And I'm going to go ahead and put in student because those are the courses that I'm looking for. And they're very specific to student, coach, parent. So this is an easy way to narrow down what is offered. In the search bar, I'm going to just put sudden cardiac. It's going to make it come up a little bit faster. I could search through if I wanted to. However, that was the easiest way for me to find it. So I'm going to hit sudden cardiac arrest. It's going to ask me which state. I'm in California. It knows that because I put that in the intro or I put that in the information. And I'm going to hit order course. I'm going to take this course for myself. Now, even though it doesn't cost any money, it's going to take you to the cart. It's going to say it's $0 and you're going to check out. Now that you have this completed, you're going to agree to the NFHS terms of no refund. It's $0 anyway, and you're going to hit continue. And now up on top, it says your order receipt. Thank you for your order, and you're going to hit go to my courses. And on your courses here, you'll see that it says begin. You're going to hit begin. It's going to have a progress for you. If you start it and then stop, it will save that progress. At the end, when you're finished, you'll go to my certificates, and there will be a certificate for this class. You're just going to click on the class. It'll show certificates, and you'll download it, and then you'll upload it to the submission. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.